आत्मविश्वास विकसित करने का सर्वोत्तम माध्यम है खेल। सुराना। चुरू जिला कलेक्टर अभिषेक सुराना ने जिला मुख्यालय स्थित लिटिल फ्लावर स्कूल में आयोजित वार्षिक खेलकूद समारोह इग्नाइट 2025 में शिरकत की और विद्यार्थियों से हुए रूबरू और संवाद किया। उन्होंने दीप प्रज्वलन कर कार्यक्रम का विधिवत शुभारंभ भी किया। जिला कलेक्टर सुराना ने विद्यार्थियों को खेलों में सक्रिय भागीदारी के लिए प्रेरित करते हुए कहा, खेल न केवल शारीरिक बलिष्ठता प्रदान करते हैं बल्कि अनुशासन, टीम भावना, प्रतिस्पर्धा, नेतृत्व क्षमता और आत्मविश्वास विकसित करने का सर्वोत्तम माध्यम भी है। उन्होंने विद्यालय द्वारा आयोजित विभिन्न खेल गतिविधियों की सराहना की और कहा, ऐसे आयोजनों से विद्यार्थियों में प्रतिस्पर्धात्मक भावना और जीतने का जज्बा विकसित होता है। जिला कलेक्टर सुराना ने कहा कि खेलों में जीत हार से अधिक महत्वपूर्ण निरंतर भागीदारी और सीखने की भावना है। उन्होंने विद्यार्थियों को खेल और पढ़ाई दोनों में संतुलन बनाए रखने के लिए प्रेरित किया। देखे स्टार न्यूज ट्रस्ट के लिए राजस्थान के चुरू से नेशनल एडवाइजर गोपाल कंवर की ये रिपोर्ट।
Every fluoride. Reverend Father Rings, all our respected sisters, teachers who guide, support and inspire us every day. And now a big
I hereby declare that the Inter-House Sports Meet Ignite 2025 of Little Flower School opened. Thank you.
Now we kindly request you, sir, to please release the theme Ignite.
All the sisters, teachers and my dear students. Today it gives me great pleasure to be here amongst you for this sports meet. Unfortunately, I couldn't be here for the 25th year ceremony that you held last year. So I made a resolution to Father that I'll ensure that I'll be here today. Whatever commitments I have, but I'll be here today. And it is pleasantly surprising to see this scale of organization and the scale of festivities for a sports meet in a place like Churu. And I must compliment all the teachers, all the staff, all the students who have put great effort in the last month or last few weeks to organize all of this. Sports, as you all know, is not about winning or losing. Sports is a learning experience. Even if you lose, you should learn from your mistakes. You should identify what are the areas of improvement and try to work upon that in the times to come. Sports is also a way to learn more about discipline, teamwork, and more than competition, I believe sports is about coordination among the teams, among your teammates. These days, I feel that due to social media and due to a lot of these digital devices that we have, children are slowly moving away from the physical activity, field activities. So I feel this is a great way to bring attention and also to interest the young children, young kids to various kind of sports. And on this occasion, I would also like to tell you, you might have heard that in 2036, India is aspiring to host Olympics at Ahmedabad in Gujarat. Some of you might have heard about this in newspaper or in the news. So what should we as a student, we as a school or we as a district must aspire for them? So we have recently in the last couple of months, we have started this initiative that each village in our district must adapt one sports. Only one sports, not all the sports, only one sports. So for example, there is a village, one village can adapt basketball, one village can adapt hockey, one village can adapt badminton, one can adapt cycling, one can adapt cricket, somebody can adapt athletics also. But each village should adapt one sports, and we will try to create excellent sports facility, state-of-the-art facility in that village for that particular sports. And our goal is that by 2036, at least 5 Olympic medals should be from the Churu district. That should be our goal. So we have started this initiative, and I hope many of the young children here and today, because it's a sports day, some of the children who are playing today who will be in the field. I hope and I pray that some of you in the years to come become international champions, become Olympians, and bring laurels not just to your school, but also to your home, also to your family, also to your village, also to your district, and to your state and to your nation. You must have heard about the story of China, how many medals did they won in 2008 Olympics when they hosted it. And they started preparation at least 10-15 years ago. So we should, as Indians, should also start preparing in that rigor, with that aspiration that by 2036, at least our district should have 5-6 medals in the Olympics. So I again congratulate the entire organizing team for inviting me to this wonderful program today, and kudos to all the teachers and all the staff who have put their efforts in organizing this. Again, thank you very much.